You won't believe what this ordinary shovel can do. At first glance, it seems just like any other tool, but this shovel is engineered with advanced materials and techniques that allow it to dig deeper and scoop up tons of debris in record time. When floods hit a city, this shovel can rapidly clear pathways for emergency responders, saving lives and preventing further damage. With its ergonomic design, even a child can wield it with ease, making it a community favorite during crises. If you love your family, like the video, they need to see this.